Lights, camera, flies. Welcome to Shine on Saturday, where we delve into the wacky world of household hacks. Today, we're bringing you a mind-boggling solution to an age-old annoyance. Those pesky flies that invade your space like they're auditioning for a buzzing orchestra. Throughout the day, you may come across small frustrations like knocking things over or spilling food. These annoyances can be as bothersome as a fly entering your house. If you've ever searched for a way to keep flies from entering, an unconventional solution involving household items might be the answer. By filling a plastic bag, such as a Ziploc, with water and adding coins to it, you can deter these annoying pests from bothering you and your loved ones. The underlying idea is that the reflection of the coins in the water confuses the flies. Although it may seem unlikely, it's worth a try to achieve some peace and quiet away from the constant buzzing of a stray fly. Flies are naturally attracted to spaces that may provide their next meal. Even if you maintain a spotless home, flies have powerful olfactory senses that allow them to detect even the tiniest spills or crumbs from a distance. However, it's not just food that attracts them, they love water too. They also seek out water wherever they can find it. Give this plastic bag fly deterrent method a shot. Once the coins are in the water, hang the bag on your doors or windows using a string. Flies' eyes are not designed to focus on a specific item but on light. Therefore, the effect created by the water and coins bewilders the flies, making it difficult for them to comprehend or focus on them. Consequently, they are discouraged from landing in your home and are more likely to seek out a less stressful and stimulating environment. Additional tips for keeping flies at bay. These involve basic cleaning practices, such as promptly wiping up spills, crumbs, or leftover food from floors and countertops. Regularly taking out the trash is important since flies are attracted to the smell of spoiled food, and keeping the trash can lids closed prevents them from turning your bins into meeting spots. Installing screens on doors and windows is also a helpful measure to keep unwanted visitors out while allowing fresh air to circulate. Store-bought options like citronella candles or essential oils can provide assistance as well, but finding effective fly deterrents often involves trial and error. Given the positive results and buzz surrounding the plastic bag trick, it's definitely worth a shot if flies are a constant presence in and around your home. Wow, how time flies! We hope you found this helpful hack useful. Please remember to like, comment, and share. Until next time.